Hey guys, in this video I've teamed up with Little Ondine once again to bring you this really cute, easy spring nail design. So jumping right on into it, we're going to start off with the Little Ondine Secret Base and Top Coat. This is going to make sure the polish you put over top adheres properly and it makes your manicure last longer, and it's going to help you peel off your manicure once you're ready to switch it up. In case you're not familiar with Little Ondine, they are a water-based, non-toxic nail polish brand, and because it's water-based, you can peel off the polish versus using acetone to remove it. The design I'm doing today is going to be sort of a mix and match, soft, pinky spring design, and the first color I just used was Cherry Blossoms. I did 2 coats of that, and next I'm painting Candy Floss on my pinky nail, and I'm doing 2 coats of that as well. Next, on the Cherry Blossoms colored fingernail, I'll be using Candy Floss to make a very simple flower pattern. I'm using a large dotting tool, and I'm literally just making dots in a circular shape. This is probably one of my favorite ways to do floral designs because it's always consistent and it always looks really cute. And then back on the Candy Floss nail, I used Cherry Blossoms to make the flowers. And as you can see, I flipped my dotting tool over to the smaller side to use on my pinky nail because it's a little bit smaller. And I also do this when I'm trying to get petals in the inner corners or on the sides of my nails so it looks like it's more seamless. And to make everything a little more defined, I went over all of the flowers one more time. Another great thing about Little Ondine polishes is because they are water-based, they dry very fast. While those flower nails are drying, I'll be painting my accent nails. On my pointer finger, I am using Pinky Mermaid, which is this really pretty purple color with a very strong gold reflex in it. And on my ring fingernail, I'll be doing WALTZ, which is probably one of my most favorite chunky glitters ever. It has a sort of rose tint to it. All the glitters in it are very rosy, and it looks really pretty if you're into that sparse glitter look. Or if you wanted to, you could always use the sponge technique to get a more opaque coat. So now that the flowers are dry, I'm going to take that Pinky Mermaid shade and I'm just going to apply that to the centers of all of the flowers. Finish with another generous layer of the Secret Base and Top Coat, and that's it. One of my favorite things about Little Ondine is that because of the formula, these are so shiny and they stay shiny until you peel them off. So as always, I'll have everything that I used in this tutorial linked in the description box below, and if you'd like to check out more of Little Ondine stuff, you can check out their URL, which is down below, or they also have polishes on Amazon. And don't forget, if you want to watch more videos like this, you can just click on your screen here. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.